This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by the Swanson Group. Top quality 8-unit multifamily property. All 8 units are spacious 2-bed, 2-bath units. 4,140 and 4,144 Deemer. These well-managed units have fantastic floor plans featuring huge kitchens with gas cooktops, laundry rooms, gas fireplaces, dining rooms, jetted tubs, double vanities and lots of storage. Each unit has one covered and one uncovered parking space. Both of these fourplexes must be sold together. Convenient location in Bellingham, just a short distance to Whatcom Community College and Bellis Fair Mall. For more information, review the details below.